YouTube, it is Big Edster, and I'm bringing you a addict update. It's been a while, so I got a couple kits I just wanted to pass on and show you what the old additions to the addict are. This is number 4, the milk trike. Pick that bad boy up. And these right here, I got the 55 convertible, 16th scale. I got the 55 Nomad, 16th scale. And the best of all of them, the 16th scale, is I got the old 57 Thunderbird. Awesome. I can't wait to break into this bad boy. I like it. I like it. Need a bicycle. Pick that up. What else we get? Well, we got the Fairlane. Got the GTO Pontiac. Got the Cobra Fastback. Another Ford. Got the Plymouth. Plymouth, however you pronounce it. Alright, what else we got going on here? Got Supernatural. That, see, Supernatural. Woo! Alright, I got this bad boy. Got this a while back ago. It's an AK-130 Russian Navy 130 millimeter atomic naval gun. Well, I guess you guys can read that. That's a TACM kit, and there's what she is. Very cool, very cool. Been wanting to get one of these for quite a while. I don't know why. I just seen it was on one of the websites I go to, and I just I like it. I like it a lot. I was on eBay, and I got the Star Wars figure there. And I think I already showed this, but I got this Star Trek also. Them are at Ollie's for like $9. The missiles there. And I don't think I showed you guys this row. These are all brand new also. So a lot of these came from the Sales Shack. You should go check out his channel there. Or his website, I should say, not channel. That's and he also has a channel. Yeah, I'm babbling. But yeah, he has a lot of good kits there for sale. Pretty reasonable. How's that, Michaels? They had this bad boy. It's a Pinewood Derby coping saw. But for $5, it was like 70-something% off. So had to pick it up. Don't know why. This right here. Well, there's the Sales Shack card right there. The model hut. So go on over and check them out. We got some good stuff there. I also got one of these Belvederes. Alright, had a small kit avalanche. Have to fix that here in a second. Alright guys, other than that, this is just, oh, got the Airfix kit back there. The Lunar. Alright guys, Big Eddie, and this is a addict update. Everyone out there, this is Sunday evening, snowing all day, yay, but be gone this week, 60 degrees coming. So this is Big Eddie signing off, addict update. Peace!